Koalas. Did you know that koala bears are not actually bears? Koalas started being called koala bears after someone mistakenly thought they looked like a bear in a tree. Koalas are actually marsupials, and their correct name is just koala. A marsupial is an animal that carries its young in a pouch, much like a kangaroo. Koalas give birth to one live baby at a time. Once the baby is born, it is placed into the mother's pouch where it will stay until it is 6 months old. After that, the baby will be placed on the mother's back until it is around a year old. Baby koalas are known as joeys. Adult koalas can range in size, but on average, they typically weigh about 33 pounds and are around 2 to 2.8 feet long. This is about the size of a small to medium-sized dog, definitely not the size of a bear. Koalas even walk on all four legs, similar to dogs. But unlike dogs, koalas usually do most of their walking at night. This is so there is little movement and they do not have fear of interruption. Koalas can be found usually high up in trees. They typically live in eucalyptus trees. This is because they eat their leaves for food. These trees can be found in parts of New Guinea and Indonesia, but they are most typically found in Australia. Koalas are native to Australia. They can be spotted in the eastern to southeastern parts of Australia. As mentioned before, koalas live in eucalyptus trees because they eat the eucalyptus leaves for food. Crazy thing is that eucalyptus leaves have a lot of toxins in them, which make them difficult to digest. They are even considered poisonous to eat. Koalas typically eat on average of 200 to 500 grams of leaves a day. Due to the toxins, however, koalas need a lot of sleep to properly digest the leaves. They sleep on average of 16 to 18 hours a day. Now, as many people think, koalas are just cute, fuzzy, cuddly animals. But as a good rule of thumb, you should never approach or try to handle a wild koala. Although attacks are not common, koalas do have very large teeth and claws, which they will use to defend themselves if they feel threatened. As humans, we should just stay away. Speaking of humans, did you know that koalas have fingerprints, much like we do? How unique is that? Koalas are truly amazing animals. They are much more than just a fuzzy, cuddly bear. They are actually a marsupial with very unique characteristics.